Navigating the intersection of natural language processing and cybersecurity presents a frontier of innovation that can transform how threats are identified and mitigated. In this section, you will learn how NLP can be leveraged to enhance threat intelligence, providing the tools to analyze vast amounts of textual data for hidden dangers. We'll delve into the nuances of sentiment analysis to uncover the emotional tone within cyber communications, which can be pivotal in preempting potential cyber attacks and understanding threat actor motivations. Moving forward, you will explore the techniques of text classification and clustering, essential for organizing and interpreting the complex data inherent to cybersecurity. This lesson will empower you with the knowledge to categorize and group text data, thereby facilitating faster and more accurate threat detection. We will then examine the application of NLP in phishing detection, a critical component of modern cybersecurity defenses. Through practical examples, you will see how machine learning models can discern malicious attempts from legitimate communications, safeguarding sensitive information from cybercriminals. Finally, we will address the theoretical limits of NLP in cybersecurity, providing a balanced perspective on what current technology can achieve and the challenges that remain. Understanding these boundaries will not only give you a realistic outlook on the capabilities of NLP, but also inspire innovative thinking to overcome existing limitations. By the end of this section, you will be well equipped with a comprehensive understanding of how NLP can be applied to various facets of cybersecurity, armed with the skills to implement these techniques in real-world scenarios.